Welcome back to Autopedia, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Volvo S90, focusing exclusively on its exterior design and features. Let's explore how Volvo's flagship sedan combines Swedish elegance with modern performance. The 2025 Volvo S90 continues Volvo's legacy of stunning Scandinavian design, with the sculpted, sophisticated exterior that reflects both luxury and practicality. The front of the car is dominated by Volvo's signature grille, framed by a bold, angular bumper that highlights the vehicle's width and presence on the road. It's more than just a visual statement, it's a design philosophy rooted in minimalism and precision. At the heart of the S90's front end are the iconic Thor's hammer-LED headlights, which are sharper and more striking than ever before. These headlights are not only a visual cue to Volvo's Nordic heritage but also feature advanced technology to provide superior illumination. The integration of LED DRLs, daytime running lights, adds a futuristic touch, while the overall design remains streamlined and elegant. Move to the side, and the S90's proportions become even more evident. Its long, flowing lines and smooth roofline create a sense of continuous motion, even when the car is stationary. The sculpted sides and refined wheel arches are designed to emphasize the car's athleticism, while the distinct character lines enhance its visual appeal. Speaking of wheels, the 2025 S90 offers a range of sizes and designs, from 18 to 21 inches. All of these are precision-engineered to offer both style and functionality. The optional 21-inch wheels, in particular, give the S90 a performance-oriented stance without compromising on comfort. At the rear, the 2025 Volvo S90 boasts a striking tail design with LED taillights that stretch across the back, creating a sleek, uninterrupted light signature. The rear bumper is aggressive, with integrated exhaust outlets that give it a more performance-focused look. The rear also features Volvo's signature vertical rear lights, adding to the car's imposing presence on the road. In terms of size, the S90 measures about 200 inches in length and sits on a 120-inch wheelbase. This gives it a stately yet dynamic presence, striking a perfect balance between luxury sedan and performance vehicle. Its stance is lower and wider than many of its competitors, contributing to both its sophisticated look and its dynamic driving experience. The color palette for the 2025 S90 is as refined as the car itself, with hues like onyx black, crystal white, and thunder gray. Volvo offers a range of sophisticated shades that complement the car's understated luxury. For those who want to make a statement, the unique new color options, such as the rich, deep blue, offer an elegant twist on traditional luxury sedans. On the road, the 2025 Volvo S90's exterior design isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. The car features an aerodynamically optimized body that reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Every curve, every line, serves a purpose in enhancing both aesthetics and driving performance. To sum it up, the 2025 Volvo S90 is a true masterpiece of design. It combines Swedish craftsmanship, modern luxury, and cutting-edge technology in a package that's as beautiful as it is functional. Whether parked in your driveway or cruising down the highway, the S90 is bound to turn heads. Thanks for tuning into Autopedia. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Volvo S90's exterior,